Let's talk about the difference between sizing and resizing within the Pfaff Creative Icon 2. So for example, if we just pull up a built-in design, I'm in the holiday collection, so let's just pull in this particular ornament. You can kind of see by the size of the hoop here, we have a very large hoop, the 360 by 260, and this is not a really big design. Now, if you have the design selected with the box around it, you'll have the option in the Edit Design area to, let's touch it here, to scale the design. So what does this mean? That means that when you go ahead and enlarge it, it will stop about 20% up or 20% down. In the scale option, what you are doing is just stretching out the stitches. So if you just need it a little bigger or a little smaller, if this design had 10,000 stitches, if you switched it down, you still have 10,000 stitches. If you made it a little bigger, up to that 20%, you still have 10,000 stitches, so you might have a little gap in between some of the fill. So I'm going to go ahead and undo whatever I've done here. And instead of doing Edit Design, I'm going to go into Resize, right down at the bottom where the 3 different flower sizes are sitting next to each other. That is the Resize menu. Now, there's a reason I had that bigger hoop is because of this. With the design selected, select Resize, and at this point, we can go ahead and touch Resize here, and go ahead and pull on the corners and make the design as large as you want. What it's going to do is recalculate the stitches, so all those stitches will be the right density when we touch OK. So it's going to recalculate how dense, you can even still see that there's still all the stitches that we need. It's probably going to take 4 times as long to stitch, but this is how we can go in and size designs up or resize something. We can also, when we take it smaller, it would also remove stitches. So if you are going beyond that 20% up or down, you want to do it in the resize area of the machine. So go ahead and give it a try. Maybe take one of your favorite designs, sew it a little smaller, sew it a little bigger, and see the difference between scaling and resizing a design that is built into the Pfaff Creative Icon 2.